I had several questions from students on a quiz question that actually the material comes from section 2.4. So I wanted to work an example to help hopefully answer those questions. These numbers may be different from the numbers you're using in your quiz, but at least the process will be the same. So in this particular question, you're given the number of elements in A intersect B is 7. Number of elements in A intersect B intersect C is 4. The number in B intersect C is 6. The number in B minus A is 5. The number in B union C is 24. The number in A intersect C is 10. And the number in the union of A, B, and C is 26. What we're asked to do is, if possible, find the number of elements in sets A, B, and C. So what we want to do is use our Venn diagram to help us to solve this problem. And if you'll remember, when we're working with these cardinal numbers, we want to begin with the area of most overlap. So in our case, it's going to be the region here where A, B, and C overlap. And when we start talking about overlapping, we're talking about intersection. So we want to begin, I'm going to put a 1 here, we're going to begin with A intersect B intersect C. We're told there are 4 elements in that region, so that's where we begin. Okay, now we want to go to where 2 of the circles overlap. So the first one I see is A intersect B. A intersect B, I'm going to outline in yellow. And it's telling me that there are 7 elements in A intersect B. I already have 4, so 7 minus 4 would give me 3. Now I'm going to move down to B intersect C. I'm going to do that one in green. B intersect C is this region. I already have 4. I want 6, so I need 2 more to make 6. Okay, and I need 1 more. Trying to get my color here. A intersect C is the other one, so I kind of have to move down my list. And A intersect C is here. So we have 10. I already have 4, so that means I need 6 more. So basically we've done, this was step 2, step 3, and step 4. So we start with the overlap of all 3, then the overlap of the circles in pairs. Now we're going to do the B minus A, so that's going to be my step 5. And let me get a different color. All right, B minus A. Remember that B minus A means the part of B not in A. So I want the part of B that's not in A. So I've outlined it in the magenta color, and we're supposed to have 5. And I look in that region, I have 2, so I need 3 more to make it 5. Okay. Now B union C, okay, let me get another color. B union C is everything in these 2 circles. And so as I look at this, I notice I have numbers in all the regions except for this one right here where the C is located. So I need a total of 24, and if I add up what I have 6 plus 4 is 10. Plus 6 more would be 16, 17, 18. So 24 minus 18, I would need 6 more in this region. Okay, and my last one is actually the union of all 3 circles. So we're talking about all the regions inside the 3 circles. And we have numbers for all of them except the one here that contains the A. Okay, and I messed my A up, but let me straighten it out. So now what I want to do is I want to add up everything. Well, if you'll notice, everything includes B union C, which is 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 12 more 24. So 26 minus the 24 gives us 2 left over. Now the question is, do we have enough information to actually give us the number of elements in A, B, and C? And the answer actually turns out to be yes, because we filled in numbers for all the regions. So the number in A, here's A, would be 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 2 is 15. Number in B, we have 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is 12. Number in C, we have 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18. So we can actually give the answers. So let's see, I didn't finish off my number here. Okay, so again, to recap, the process is you want to find the area of most overlap, fill that in first, then you work, in this case we start with where 3 sets overlap, then we did 2 sets overlapping, and then finally we did what was left over in terms of the B minus A and the unions, B union C and A union B union C. So hopefully this will help you get through that particular problem on the quiz.